Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
Any other for Mema wa ha, Mema wa chen, Mema wa jo. Baby biara owo nyame asumdwe enka wo. Enen so adom ne humobo ifro twede amponyankopon ti no. Ye ho awawa yen ode ache ye ama ye de meka e de ba mo fidie e de ba mo akwan e de dwumadi e bremo. Ebe me de ebe me nije se obeba so na wonso obetie bi ne ekọ na wache na obi nso nsaka ene edwumedie no se ne amonim no efiada bia ne de ahokeka e de mrekatuo e de aba esanse nneoma ye hwe na wotwe ne mu nneoma nkrofo edi ho ya edi nkwadanda na ya tutu anamon wo so no na de abrem se ene se na ekọ nti yemfa adehye bi emfiri mu saa na efiade ene nso edui ye de mreka akofe bi e de aba enti megide se ene topic a ye ba be kire no weni beje ho isanse eba no sikasem ne ade de ne me de oho de minisa ho ankasa nti saa na megide se wonso weni beje ho Midiani Manyeti ene ye wo yen resource person baako if BWF Solicitors impemu nankasa oni ebeba abedi sankete hu na mom ansa na obeba no metwa me ho sema na maba na meba mekire wo nioma BWF Solicitors omudi ho akotene pa Begin say, yo, and the older mamma, mamma can say, na yankoso, yan can say, na yankoso. Me did so, who ye pa, me did so, who ye, menso me ho ye, now trading about Darromantin, and then see, I say, shade, dear, Neddy, a Jumeya, BWF Solicitors, a Jumeya, a say community legal education, no, and I de Bremo. Na eba BWF Solicitors, and now ye can't BWF Solicitors. Wa wo UK abonten so nyina what's your modern pen what's your monka pen omode dwuma bebre omoye lawyers akentin kanfo a omode omo ho ato ama community ne say sign kwan bia community na nipa na ewo mu no omo ho behin ha omo e wo omo migration sem ho ɛwɔ mo family and matrimonial nsɛm mo ɛwɔ mo dispute resolution nsɛm ho anaasɛ yɛn kurom Ghana nsɛm po no ɔmo de ɔmo ho ato sɛ ɔmo bɛkɔ so akyerɛkyerɛ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wobɛnya adesua bi wɔ mu na wo nso de ato anamo na woanya ho fadie ɛfa ho die ɛno nti na ɛnɛ nso yɛasan aba no nti no yɛka BWF Solicitors a nea meka ne sɛ ɛba no family law ɛne matrimonial na ɛneɛ ɔmo yɛ number 1 UK ha baabiaa agye baabiaa ɔmo yɛ number 1 ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors na wohwehwɛ ɔmo akyiri akwan a ɔmo wɔ 4th floor Anna House 4th floor Anna House no ɛwɔ hemfa 4th floor Anna House ɛwɔ 214 to 218 Tottenham Road 7 Sisters 214 to 218 Tottenham Road 7 Sisters ɛwɔ London abɔnten so obi si London yɛn nso si London saa na ɛteɛ na ɔmo postcode no ɛyɛ N154NP N154NP wonya bɔɔ postcode no to phone so a ɛbɛ ne wo bɛba baabi ɔmo wɔ no na sɛ wopɛ sɛ woba mpo woayera kwan mu anaasɛ wopɛ sɛ wobuki appointment na womba mbɛhyia ɔmo na ɔmo ne wo ndi dwuma no a na ɔmo numbers a mɛbobɔ ama ɔno yɛ 0208 493 7340 mesan esisu biom 0208 493 7340 ɔmo nsan nso ɛwɔ emergency number no na yɛka emergency a na kyerɛ sɛ beebi edu no deɛ ayɛ den na kyerɛ sɛ ohia obi abɛka ama ɔkamafo wɔ he ohia obi abɛgyina ama ogyimafo wɔ he na ɛno ara ne sɛ BWF Solicitors wobɔ wo nsa wofa wo phone na wofrɛ ɔmo a ɔmbɛgye wo so ntaataa beebi a ɔwɔ biara na ɔmo de mmirika ehyia wo ɛne sɛ number ne yɛ 077 1276 1884 emergency number no na mesan abɔ so biom no ɛyɛ 077 1276 1884 frɛ saa number yi abere a wo ho akyerɛw na mmom wopɛ sɛ wobuku appointment na wokɔhu ɔmo wɔ office hɔ a ɛneɛ bɔ first one a mede ma wo ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340 no wofrɛ a ɔdɔfoɔ fɛfɛɛfɛ bi bɛgye wo so na ɔno akasa adekode a wohwehwɛ no na webuki appointment ndi ama wo ɔmo appointment nso deɛ ɛmfa ho baabi a wowɔ sɛ wowɔ kuro kora a ɛnni din kora na ɔmo betumi ahyia wo hɔ ɛne sɛ ɔmo tumi yɛ telephone consultation ɔmo nso atumi yɛ yɛka ne sɛn video consultation na kyerɛ sɛ ɛnamafoɔ yi dɛdɛfoɔ yi ababa abɛyi ɛyɛ Zoom anaasɛ Skype telephone video YouTube ɔmotumi ɛbɛhyia wɔ baabia ɛno ara sɛ wowɔ phone anaa wowɔ computer anaa sɛ wowɔ internet menka ne sɛ wowɔ internet nko ade a ɔmɛtumi ayɛ telephone consultation ama wo sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ɛho nhia sɛ wobɛtu anamo baabi a wowɔ no na wakɔ akɔhyia ɔmo wɔ office hɔ baabi a wowɔ bia mbia na wɔ outside London a mbia wɔ Scotland wowɔ Wales wowɔ yɛka ne sɛn Ireland baabi a wowɔ bia you can still have your consultation in peace. Na dwumadi ɔmo di na ebi ne sisan ene de ma menkyerɛkyerɛ mu nyabotrɛ ma me enche bia me de lawyer ene beba so nyabotrɛ ma me na wenso ehia me pa because ye BWF Solicitors aya na egidi sɛ ade ba akopɛ na ɔmo nim ye da bi ɔmo yɛ ade wɔ nneɔma akentinkan yɛ a me ba bɛbobɔ so nti bie wa som neti eba no family law ana matrimonial eno mo kra ne de ade ɛyɛ children application wawo akwala wo pɛ sɛ wo gye nkrata asetena adema no ana wopɛ sɛ wo heha even things even to do with the council kra eba na wo mu a ne nyina ɔmo wɔ hɔ eba no divorce any financial matters divorce ne financial matters ɛno de enkosi sɛn divorce de nyina yɛ nim na kyerɛ sɛ wo yere bo ukunu bo ana sɛ mo ankasa mpoma ba mutual agreement sɛ aware no afrom yɛn enti yɛ mo mpaapae kakra na daachi bi odo akɔnɔ ne san sɔre a ya san bɛbɔ mu a ɔmbɛtumi ayɛ saa divorce no de amamo na ma divorce no mpo embia na sikasɛm ejapade bi wom we si menti me ho ase we si maka we a BWF Solicitors betumi ayɛ ntem gyinafoɔ de amamo mienu sɛ ne ɛbɛyɛ a asomdwe bɛba sɛ sikasɛm ɛkyɛ bi wɔ mu a ɔmbɛtumi ahyehyɛ saa kwan no nyinaa de ama mo. Saa nso na ɛkɔba no na yɛda so ka family law no ɛkɔ akɔba no sɛ domestic violence any injunction. Domestic violence yɛne ɔbaa agyi ɔbɛɛma agyi ɛne sɛn ɛba ne violence bi a na kyerɛ sɛ ayɛ den ntɔkwa a yɛaba mu na kyerɛ sɛ awarefoɔ o anaasɛ partners ntɔkwa a ɛyɛ aba mu na sɛbi mprɛduasa wei kɔ kasa akwim na wama ne nsa so de abɔ obi na weedi atamdidie na weeka nsɛm a ɛmfa kwan mu ɛkyerɛ obi wei nyinaa ɛyɛ violence ne bi wone wo yere anaa wo kunu te wofi kurom ɛbɛfie kora ayamhyehyeɛ because wonim nea woba abɛhyia ne nyinaa ka ho ɛnam nneɛma a ɛkɔ so wɔ fie hɔ na ɛba ne sɛ sisi adeɛ sɛnea ayɛ no mentumi bio mu na violence ɔbaako yi ne nsa ɛbɛ obi anaa pofiri mu opra wɔ kwan bi so all in the name of mente me ho ase a na kyerɛ sɛ violence no abɛmu no na ɛba ne sɛ BWF Solicitors ɔmotumi agyina mu na saa nsɛmsɛm yi ano adwo bɔkɔɔ. Saa nso na ɛba no trust law nansi ɛbɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu ɛwɔ nneɛma bebree ɛba no trust sɛ wowɔ agyapadeɛ bi na wonim sɛ woba abɛkɔ yi yɛnim sɛ owuo nso deɛ ɛda hɔ ma yɛn nyinaa ɛmbia woatrust obi wo gyapadeɛ ɛwɔ ne nsa sɛ ɔnhwɛ so ma wo anaa ɔnkyekyɛ ma wo nkwalaa anaasɛ woyɛ will mpo anaasɛ anything na bia saa trust no ɛbɛbɛ mu a BWF Solicitors betumi egyina mu ama wo na asomdwee na ntiaseɛ ayɛ adwuma ɛnyɛ no nko a yɛnkɔ yɛn kurom Ghana nso ɔmese ɔmonsa no ɛtene kɔ baabi a ɛnyɛ UK ha nko a Ghana nso sɛnea tie bia law bia ɛwɔ hɔ bia especially family law no ɛno nso ɔmo gyina mu dendenden nti ɛno no yɛbɛka sɛ international family law sɛ wote ha oyere te Ghana wo kunu te ha wo kunu nso te Ghana anaa wo mba wɔ ha wo mpenefoɔ wɔ Ghana na kyerɛ sɛ international wise no ɔmbɛtumi agyina mu ama wo na akonya bi a wohwehwɛ sɛ wo nsa bɛka international no wobɛnya nti ɛhɔ nso ɔmo yɛ ade ankasa saa nso na ɛnyɛ no nko a yɛnkɔ dispute resolution ɛba dispute nso de a ɛne wonim dispute ɛtumi happen wɔ baabia nkankan ɛba ne property anaa possession dispute a wobɛhu na wo ho dare wo ho kwan a womfa so a wobɛyɛ wo ho wo agyapadeɛ na obi gye anaa wakɔtɔ agyapadeɛ sɛ wantɔ ne yie nti no ɛnyɛ kwan pa so na yɛbɛgye afiri wo nsɛm anaasɛ ɛmbia ɛka bi akɔ san baabi ɛwɔ wo dan na ankɔyɛ yie na afɛdeɛ yɛba abɛgye a ɛyɛ ahomtew ɛno nso mbɛtumi anaasɛ sikasɛm debt dispute yɛnim sɛ yɛkɔsensan nneɛma a yɛnhwɛ wobɛhu ana abɛyɛ ka ade ama yɛn ɛno nso mbɛtumi egyina mu anaasɛ even general litigation a yɛnim yi anaasɛ negotiations ne nyinaa ɔmo yɛ ho ade anaa mpo business contract wokɔgye business bi na ɔmo ma wo saa wɔn sɛ ɔmo yɛ trickish obi bɛka ɔmo yɛ trickish ɔmo tumi write that faint print no obi bɛsi blueprint no ɛyɛ na yɛ nketenkete w'ani so hunhwan wo so kan wo kan kra na ɛwɔ ni ha obehu ano akɔ sign bibi a obi bɛsɛ wa sign with death warrant afei asɛm na ato na wo ka sɛ my business contract ni say no yɛsi ɛntesa na wo ho ɛbɛkyerɛw BWF Solicitors betumi egyina ama yɛn kurom law manya aka akyerɛ wo anaasɛ ɛmba no national immigration anaasɛ immigration nationality deɛ ɛneɛ UK he nyinaa even law society accreditation no koraa gye ato mu sɛ ɛba no BWF Solicitors with immigration nationality na ɔmo de mu number 1 ɛsiane sɛ yɛabɔ ma ba so akentenka mmienu nanse kora yɛde baako ba abɛka ho ama no ayɛ mmiɛnsa na wompɛ wei na wopɛ dɛn ɛnti bra na bɛhu BWF Solicitors na ɔmo ndi udwuma ɛmfa ma yo ɛnɛ topic a yɛwɔ no ɛmu ohwam paa mɛbɔ ato so sisi a nansa na mɛbɔ ato so no mema me lawyer me resource person na me ne wo adwuma no mema ono abeyi ne ho edi kakra e de akere ye na afi obe de nchia kese be ma tiefo na afi de ye de dwumedie no ahya se na mo ansa na me frɛ na aba no nye hunu se this month we are still on the pinky month so the ba pinky month pink October na ye breast cancer awareness na ye create amadodo na mo ehu me nua entna ho ma yen diagnose you with breast cancer entna ho because as time goes in and out no wankasa ubeye wo self examination abribia ukodware a wankasa obebesie me na mesie o eye wa romance wenufo no na hwe se ayembia bibi esimu a eni ne kwan so yehu ne ntem a yetumi si ano ntem and tie ne bɔne so me se wankasa fa wo nsa fafafa wenufo no ne ne nkyɛnkyɛn na woyɛ wonim yɛ abra mɛkyerɛw sɛ ne yɛyɛ no na wetumi ehu unye hu bibi a ɛnyɛ ne kwan so sɛ ɛwɔ hɔ a na wetu ho anamo ntem na earlier diagnosed no can be cured ɛno nti na yɛbɔ ho dewuro ɛntena se ma breast cancer enku ana webusuani bi wa start na to ho anamon sesia saa nso na yɛkɔ KT educational consultant so a na kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo se English no yɛda so kyerɛ brɔfo no B1 ne B2 IELTS OAT ne nyinaa ɔmo gu so a kyerɛ and the results that are coming kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ asefem kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ wanwa ne nansa obi kɔtrɔ so me start ade kyerɛ maintain distinction ɔmo aso mu da ɛno a obi abɛka kyerɛ me sɛ manyɛti yɛsi menya distinction na me si woyɛ sure ɔsi saa na metwa adeɛ ne nyinaa to the extent sɛ yɛsi menya this menti bi da na kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nwanwa ɔno a bɛtumi abɛdi n'adanseɛ daakye ɛnyɛ ebuapa nim ne ɛyɛ kyerɛ ne nim ne ɔmo hwehwɛ nti wɔn nso register unua bi wɔ Ghana wopɛ sɛ ɔba na yɛsi ɔnkɔtwerɛ IELTS a ɔmbɛhu yɛn ɛwɔ 075 96620 154 ɔmfrɛ na me yɛbɛkyerɛ no sɛnea ɔbɛyɛ a ɔno nso betwa ɛnyɛ no nko a enigye sɛm nso sɛ sisia no sponsorship anaasɛ course no anaa sponsors no yɛnya baako 4 yɛde 4 ɛna ɛyɛ ɔmo nyinaa ɛpɛ nipa dendenden abɛyɛ adwuma wɔ kurom a menua ɛntena sio na opportunity ɛba a etwam sɛ ehwem na ɛkɔ a ɛnya afe na ɔsio mepɛ sɛ afe na meto anamo enti siesie ho na frɛ manyɛti na kwan biara so yɛde mboa bɛba medam ase sɛ moetie me asopɛ mu sesia nso no yɛse bibia obɛyɛ bia no enkwa de ehia bibia obɛyɛ bia fa na ase kɛseɛ ɛma so nyankopɔn atwɛde ampɔ ɛkyɛ wadom na wo yusu saa adom no ɛde kyɛ amanfo ɛde yɛ ade a ɛtɔ de bia woto wo ho ɛto da sɛ mekɔ akɔda nyame ase Sana BWF Solicitors, 30 years of celebration, 30 years of service to the community, 30 years akwantuo no. Last 2 weeks, omutwa omano kakra na omo se debi anotwa nkwa de ensi ho na ayedi anamutuo nso ekọ akwakoda onyame ase atonyum ayeyi nyum edeyi na ye adanase na sa Thanksgiving service BWF Thanksgiving service e ba so wo he menuanom mo a mo ba party na se nyina momma yɛmfa saa ɔdɔ na ɛnkɔda nyame ase ɛma BWF Sol na aseda deɛ ɛyɛ aseda ma mpontu aseda ma enyonyaba aseda ma nneɔma kɔso nti sɛ mobɛma BWF modwumedie akɔso no yɛmfa saa aseda no ɛnkɔma otwedi ampɔ okukuro nyankopɔn baatampa ɛwɔ Word of Faith Mission. Word of Faith Mission. Word of Faith Mission ɛwɔ hemfa ɛwɔ St. Joseph College St. Joseph College ɔhɔ na ɛwɔ Bula Hill London address no ɛwɔ screen ne so na sɛ wohwehwɛ postcode na ma membɔ so ma SE19 3HL SE19 3HL ɔhɔ na yɛkɔyɛ anase asɔre no ɛyɛ 23rd of 10th 2022 10:30 a.m. sharp na yegyina hɔ 23rd na yɛka 23rd na kyerɛ sɛ kwesi ade ya yɛwɔ hɔ nom enti mombɛka yɛn ho na yɛmfa nnase kɛseɛ enkoba otwede amponyankopon meda mo nyina si afede me mfa nche akese enhia lawyer Asma Sir Charles Asma. A very good morning to you midofo mpacho fa akwanya achiema yenti fo na afede mfa edwumedie ne nhya ase.
Yo, that's a bit brave. A far queen away switch here, a tier 4 near Shafo and Nara. I don't yam say we be a choir man and Friday and pay say. Young far queen away so now you reach out to the community to learn and to develop. She didn't check a see if BWF Solicitors as say Ebre Obibiara. Thank you.
Yo, yenso yeda se obia nso eje so asomdwe mu oni adofo mediani manyeti biom anafre manyenate ameje so fefefe BWF Solicitors legal hour so ne yeda so yewe dodo na maba ahomane so anase Facebook ana YouTube ne nyina nyame enkam nyame nhira mo na mmom no mon share ne nkwa etire me homo dodo okra mon share mame na nkwa etire Zazba bio. I'll say good morning, class. Zaz, good morning to you too. Kwame Atajima, I am watching you from Hello Access UK. Thank you, Isaac Nkrumah. BWF is back again to help the community. God bless you for such a dedicated service to the community. Let's share to reach all. Oh, Isaac, God bless you too. Henry Sapon, so I'm here. Henry is telling us to keep sharing. Please share. And then our dear secretary, Papa B. Sandra Fraser, and so say beautiful man. Good morning. Beautiful Sandra, good morning. Mon share all the information that you may need to contact BWF Solicitors and the lawyers in there no Eddie Sandra Eddie Abegusom into no Moshe yen Facebook ni so Sandra Fraser Eddie all the contacts all the lawyers ni nyina Eddie Abeguso ho no ntimpa mocho monhye sisi ano ye ko bebia wo bia wo buo mu kra itumi reach you there, so keep sharing and then for someone else to benefit from the program. Yo, yebeko yedwumadie ne so momfa nchen so se mre ne ko kakra, but ne nyina is in good cause. Ne atia ne se eto de bia na ye ka say sanction a section Consumer Credit Act yes protect me from credit. Eto de bia na yakogye sika na obia per credit card me kai ye ba kromo afoforo no ye bo credit card ya na ye feel say oye nyankopon bi credit card obi ubehwe obi wallet mo credit card be 2030 because those days no credit cards no ne nyaayefo ankasa ne nyaayefo na ototo ade nso a oto ma ho to na afi de back chia na ye twema mentwe na we na akoso fedio omode hihye different eba credit card ho ani eho anuoma aketua obehu no akoto ade embia na ade na otoye no de bia no obebesie blueprint nkete na ya no motro no wo obeka no kra kire me onkan eno ano ateke wo si accepted emonsem no you have no idea, the only thing you know 1% say yes usan ya na do credit card amount into de bia na ya na nneoma bi go ho a ehwe when it comes to using it to purchase goods, even you can withdraw cash or credit card, but ehun nhihye nyina no totally different. Into de bia no na ahwe obi 30 years odaso credit card ka aden na chese nneoma nkete bi ahwe no ewo so into na metwe lawyer Charles eba ha me see on how can section 75 of Consumer Credit Act omode pass in 1974 no ebe then na protected from credit card and high purchase agreement then na metumi aye na sa enkaya carrying on the credit cards near ade no eso betwa. Maybe my definition of what is there no different. Mom lawyer expert wa ha oba betre even section 77 ne 75 ne kra ye ade art ne kra ye ade, and how can this act protect me when I'm using credit card and then purchasing high purchase. Someone high purchase say free na utia and no one sem ne ka obi pay free o na ba ketia na ya asem nti lawyer Asma me da se waba na oba be kyerɛkyerɛ mu se ne be ya ye ho be hin han ye fall victim was such agreement na ye hu kwan a ye be fa so a ye bedi ye ho enti me da say wo honor the invitation mpacho me de akwanya ne emma na cheche mu how can section 75 for consumer act ne pe no ne de ade mpacho
Yo, me that's bebre etie for ne ahwefo ye besua ade na nda ya desua no se ne na putu no se kwaba se ye kwototo nyoma na ye use credit card anase ye ko free nyoma na obi abemu se megine mu etua ma wo na wetua me nkakra saa nyoma no se kwaba saa na empo saa nimpa no a ye to ade ne fi ne ho no kwaba se o se on di ni mbra anase mbra na ye de ahye so ye bedi so no anase agreement no so obusu a then na meye. Into Section 75 of the Consumer Credit Act 1974, now your old law, but it is still good law. Since a good law, it say protect consumers. Ne kase will be a consumer, a nimpa okoto adie no on one kasa use when we a consumer. Into nature say I can individuals and who asem. Na say individuals na who asem na ye can naturally say ye wo nimpa miensa and say ye wo groups miensa na ye wo adie mu. Edi kan ye wo nimpa no a oye consumer no okoto ade no a wa abedeka no na ye wo nimpa no a ogine mu na se edwuma no a ogine mu se metua ade ya wo toi eka ama wo na wetua me a ye frɛ no creditor no ana se financier no na ye wo edwuma no a oton ade no a ye frɛ no supplier esa miensen no omuka bom ti ye hwemu a esa say creditor no owom abeboa ama sa consumer enya protection under the Consumer Credit Act 1974 no na ne akoba en say senia wonim ne ye wo mra bebre a protect consumers rights ye wo Consumer Rights Act 2015 ye wo Supply and Sale of Goods and Services Act ye wo mra bebre a ebo dwumadie no ho eban. Imagine wakoto ade na wati wusika ato ade no na afi de nimpa no a woto ade no fi ne ho na say dwuma na woto ade no fi ne ho no wonti ne nka biem eya na eya asefim wusika ahye nyoma nso eya wonsa nka empo se wonsa kan nyoma no na enye senia wodwene se wonsa ebeka no because omo kan say eba no na eya bibi foforo wohwehwe won a wohu won saa nyoma nketingiti aya na consumers efesi mene wo ye fesi saa nyoma no bebre ekwabasa na kyesa wo no wo ho akom na ekwabasa nso na kyesa wo nyoma nso a wo eka wudwen se wo benya no na wenya na ne emu eye dene se ekwabasa wo de credit card na tuaye anase ekwabasa edwuma na oton ade ne ma wo no oma wutua aka through a creditor na say financier sa nimpa no a okogina mu ma woto ade no ono na asodie no abeda ne so. Nti section 75 no protect consumers from unscrupulous sellers, retailers and suppliers ombeton ade no bewie no na afi de consumers no ho akọ kire won fi se mo ebu agreement no eso na senia ye kire mu no se yemfa ne se wakoto ade ukoto ade a e de se wo de cash na ebeto anasa wo de debit card na ebeto anasa wo de credit card na ebeto. Credit na wom no say credit card credit ne say wo to na wetua no echire you bought it on credit. Nti a Consumer Credit Act no protect yen efi say yebeto ade on credit na ehun koba asam na afi de ye ho ebekire yen. Nti say wo to na say ye cash de a we no protect o. Say wo to na ye debit card a we no protect o. Na mo sa woto na credit card anasa woto na wetua ne nkakra a ye fa no higher purchase na we de eboa wo we no so encover mortgage nti ye koso no wobɛte baako mienu bi ase na wehu nienti a empo ebeboa se woto ade a ube use credit card no more.
I see. Enti lawyer asma senior o cheche mu na say credit card using it dey enye ade bone eboa na senior ho nhihye no na se wan to ho nhihye anamon pa na afede a start say aerial. Enti no na wa cheche mu 75 session 75 or 19 74 no what can consumer nipa ko a wo akota ade na wo be use adekode no na financial nipa ko be ginem na chese nipa ko de credit no sika no ma na wo de ato na supply nipa ko a wo to ade na free no ho ade miense no wa cheche mu yate ase enti sisi ano cash de emfa ho because cash de wa okita wo sika na wo akoto na aba ne credit lawyers ma say wo kota ade a ye beka say ye credit checks ye credit checks mbia na wo mpo no wonto on use bi da uni bi enti eya na adenti na omurefie bi mu ye beka say wonto ade nchi aka denti no ye ma credit no adenti na ya na eba ne sa
Yo bibia ye fa no footprint.
okay
So wonam ahwemu a aya na wonan esisi eho nti wujai wo footprint. Sa footprint no se obi befa ho a obehu se wafa happen. Sa nti wonim sa ekwan no so yie. Nti so mo mpa obi asoma no a betumi afra wo asoma wo because omo trust wo se wonim sa ekwan no eso. So wu nkofa sa ekwan no so da even though betumi akwaye ne a ye pese ye no ye ntumi entrust say betumi akwaye ne sa because one fast sa ekwan no so eda. That is an analogy I want to put in. Now, credit rating and as a score no sa na akwaye a credit footprint. Na your friend no credit history no. Ubetumi create just say wakọ we free ade pen. That means we free ade and you the money. And my own say you can be relied upon to free more. Na ne de say we free na wutia no na financiers no anasa creditors no anasa nkrofo no mo sika ema wo no omo gi wudi more. I just say wakwaji loan na we cheka ye gi wudi more. Afi de wo beje a ye ma wo more. Basa wo to wo gi na we ntua ka de a ye ngi wo endi biom. Nti wo ba ye mfa ema wo. Nti se wo kwa akwaji credit anasa loan anasa sika efi obi ho se wo betua no echiri za bank o anasa bia those credit providers no bi ho se wo betua no echiri a obehwe sa wo kra no wa bobosia pan ana. And do you know what it takes to borrow and to pay? If you don't know what it takes to borrow and to pay there, then you don't have any reliable credit footprint. Aye betumi ejina so na yajewo edi. Enti na wo kobobo say bi say we need credit history. Santi we cannot trust you. Te kwabasa you have to create a credit history for yourself by starting small to borrow and paying to build that history.
okay yo enti sese ne wa cheche mu no yate ase lawyers ma enti no credit cards no eno a na ti say store cards no ti say mbia wo stores bia you pay omeka say pay now pay later na say like when your man register no enye ne nyina na pay now pay later do but when your man register auto ade no wo ha wonchi aka wo ba ye de brew na afia wetu your nkakra mpiche how is this different from the cards itself? That do they have a similar link and I say it's different room mbia meka store cards na e bit to say very.co and a Littlewood and I say Argos and I say you know we have a lot of shops yes beto udi nchiaka na ye chia wa betia ne nkakra patron so bi wo mu ana
Ne wo mni say credit card eye sika a odi amawo company no dia ma wo a wo yusu na wetua nkakra later. Store card no say beto ade na echire na wa ba ebetua nyan ka. You cannot use the store card to purchase from other stores.
Okay.
But credit card no betumi use from anywhere the difference is when we say store card no and credit and monetary credit per se, but a purchasing credit. Into so one call uncle to Agosa, there's no way everybody Agosa. So that is the difference. Now let's move on to the section 75 conversation.
Okay.
The woman says, "Sir, wo koto ade na wo de credit card etua eka and then we are based on credit card and a higher purchase. Editua eka. Imran say, wa ma misika no a me de tua ka no a metua wo later no. Asudi no so ewo so say wo behwe say nyimpa no a oto ade no ama me no because wo na wo kutua aka ma me. Me na maka kira say Barclays Bank tia John Lewis X amount for me because my thought in yoma ewo won chen. And waji atum and I would sika na ma John Lewis and as I would ama whatever company it is. In this kwaba say John Lewis ebu emra no so ewo baby na wa ama me nya ni a me hwehwa. Wo na would sika na ma John Lewis no wo na ejina wo so. Because me catch yourself for command mommy. Yes. If anything, you also have to make sure say company no awodi sika no e command no on my behalf no omo eye company a edimu. And the normal circumstance nka obaka say after all when I was me nkoye adwuma no ma wonti ma ye wi a why should you blame me? Sa anko ne senya wo pe no a na emwa emma consumers. Into obi abetumi asoro aka say okay, I will pay it for you because you have to pay me later. And amra no buy yebaka say no. Yes, sir, consumers no are not fully protected. Santi you be protect one. If you say in your ba say in your no ho. Even though consumer no asuma will say kutua we mami. Because the fact say me use a credit card means I'm ordering you or requesting you to make payment for me. You can say the credit card is denied. That means the payment will not go through because you wouldn't do it. If you don't do it, I cannot buy. But the moment you do it, that means we've agreed to be part of that agreement. In terms of so be making sure say other laws now protecting me no from such supplier no obey bibia emfa emrakwen no you follow it through. You have to be with me every step of the way. Interpretation I want to say what are there £100 up to £30,000. Now what the credit card need to and let's say what the higher purchase agreement. Higher purchase agreement what it works in say. And yes, who to your credit card no and I say who to your sikano with credit card boom. Company no abaka say alright your ton ade ya ma wo. Na ya ma wo bi obama wo loan. Nti ya gi sikano efisa nimpa no ho. Now we wait to and kakra ama sa company na o manyan sika no editua wokano. That means they have become part of the agreement. It is their duty to make sure say the hire purchase conversations are followed through. And the protection is that a buying be protect me through the law. Ebe foresee or no intermediary no and I say between and say o making sure say ni amehwehwe was agreement no mu no mensaka say bro 30,000 there section 75 will not protect you. Then you go to section 75 capital A of the law. Section 75 capital A of the law no will cover you up to £60,260 from 30,001 to £60,260. But no conditions ewo ho. Conditions ewo ho ne say what check ahwe say company no eni ho biem. Sometimes no beto ade wo on internet Next time I will be no o hwehwe ni company a wo hu telephone number na omode to so na wo use ye no wo fra enko website no kwa no na ode wakọ baby foforo obi boni ba friend say a scam into those scammers no so wa hwehwe nimpa no we hu bibi say kwesi wa try say wo benya ne waju ade no back we nya wa ye na say we ye bia na say we nya dia then section 75 capital A will protect you because it can emu up to 60,260 pounds. Now back to the basic conversation. Yemfa an example be say wako akoto mobile phone. Now enye contract when your contract asem wakoto mobile phone pay as you go. Oto no be a £120 and I would the credit card in a chair. No more cars on me deliver a mao. Why shall they anymore or moon deliver a mao? What will happen is say, catch a credit card company say, what kai say when I got to ya de kamame, me met ya mao later. This is what has happened. So chase it for me to get your money back from them. Until you shift the responsibility to that intermediary company, no financier, no, to do the legwork for you. So financier no say on ya, then you call upon the financial service ombudsman. So ombremu na omedi emwao. So you make a complaint to the regulator. It's protection and more drupa. And it is not just at this level, it's also up to the regulatory level. And also say, wait here, dear no, which here £20. But the value no na yeka, value of the item no na yeka. The value of the item is £120. That means it's more than £100. Wait here £20. And adhere no abo. You can chase the creditor to make sure say they pursue the supplier for you. Obi oma wato flight and I say we try tickets how dey to kwan ewo internet so. These days we call so Google ubenya bebre, ubenya sky scanners, ubenya Travego, ubenya this, ubenya that. Bebre. Na wecha. Unni omo, unti omo nka, but na unim say they operate online. Utwa wie no a afi dia wonsa nka o ticket no a wato no o free company a ekwa na ekosi baby na afi dia akati ekosi baby na akati. So with the credit card na tia ya, you can tell the credit card company to pursue your money for you. Nti we ni enyoma mbra no e protecting yen efa eho. Now, I'm still commute.
Sorry, me da say. Sa ye de nyame ase say wachichi mo e ba the credit card de e monsem pi until last my senior watch session 75 fee na wasa che ya mayenhum the high purchase we so agreement no wakoto omama o sika no ana say omoatua on your behalf up to some time no so also utua just say wetu one na utua but befrom na bibia besu akwem embia na edwumasem embia na bibi krede bi ntino se nia onye sika na wotwe bia na bosumi bia na odi titika no afa de emba ne saa bio eba ne saa wo as the consumer no kwan ben na o se wo fa so a this thing can be resolved because it told be mon minim se o mo job tum na no so akoya twuma mentwe no so na yesi bibi di default de ade saa abrofo akese ne kra ne nyina ase kyeresen pacho obetimi atete
Yo, you see okafo edidi, but okafo nso edi ne huni. Nti se wo ko bobosin a your responsibility say wo betua eka no. So na make aye no, if they cannot trust you with more, they will not give you more. Even the little you have will be taken away from you, as the Bible says. Sana etia dia wo bobosia no a wo use no na wo tua. Wo use no na wo tua because you want to build credibility and reliability in the sight of those financiers no and creditors no lenders no. Into wo tua na o gina wo tua no na afi de wo score no so e kosoro. Na baba ne say for whatever reason we refer ho na wentua o mebo okoko. Sometimes ya na enye bo apayo bia na ori na efiri. So I remind you say you have missed be a payment and I say your credit level no akwese. Because the creditors or the lenders must also ensure that they are responsible in lending. And if they are not responsible, no to tempt you to spend there, then they are also being irresponsible.
Okay.
Ekwabasa embrano protecting one to get the money back. Santi, se bia ya ma £1,000. No masha was spend ya 900. Untumi ntia and I say a check say ubetia omu e downgrade you. That's the responsibility, no. Ombeti from 1,000 to 300 because omu say 1,000 untumi nkopu. Because omu ja 1,000 no a obedi ka bebre ama affect your credit score.
Okay.
Until the so me ye fi ho anase ombeti so ama wo ho ahahare wo. Number 2, emrano echichire lenders ne say some person omo ma loan anase creditor omo bisa wo say wo pe anase wo mpe. Yes omo sorry ya na omo de ama wo because omo feel say omo chicha man crofo. No. They have to ask you. And it is omo bisa wo a so responsibility say obeka say dey if you don't need it. But the moment you accept it, then we use you have to pay. And no has nothing to do with section 75.
Okay.
But section 75 ni say we use ato ade na wato ade no na ade no a nipa na ato ama wo no afi de wo nsanka ade no anesa ade no kra enya papa. Na eka akoba so. Wo hwehwe nipa no kra wo hu no. Then section 75 will kick in to protect you from that unscrupulous seller and as a supplier. No. But when it comes to default, so why we need to say ade me de ekochi akoto ade. Ebi mu kra no omode no omutumi ekoyi sika fi so mane yeye. Omukoyi sika no na omedi and also ma transfer aya de foforo. Na sika no nitua no akoye asam ama and no has nothing to do with section 75. Because section 75 does not protect irresponsibility on your part. It protects irresponsibility on the part of the lender. And that is the difference. It is omubo kokko no wentua there e believe default footprint on your history and that's a file so. Into obi file file a obeka say nipa we wakwaji bi wo ebi a Barclays wentua wa mesi miensa wa mesi mienu. Can we trust him to give him 1 or 2? But so we na wutia there, they will trust you and give you more. That is how that analysis come about. So that was and the scoring is to see whether you should be given any credit in terms of lending or you should not be given any credit, and also how much you can be given. And the interest rate ebewo ho a ubetua. Nti wa we are reliable no, they will trust you with more, then they will give you less responsibility in terms of interest rate. But when you are reliable no, they will give you little and yet they will give you high interest rate.
No cre. What cheche mu ade ama ayeme de. Ho no ombema kakra na ombema nso ne abo hwan epi a utumi say kaish we de wan gwaji kra nkeye. Na questions na also when it comes to credit and mrane de papa.
Whilst we are here, let me just quickly point this out. Okay. Sometimes say ho na bia ebe kwa credit file so na bibia akwada so. say obi the credit default akoto yes ya de ne so a friend default judgment.
Yes.
CCJ. CCJ no stand for County Court Judgment. Say what the credit card ka and as a store card ka empo bank loan and as a mortgage ka now ya chase wa na wuntua na ya de akọ court na court atro na still an wentua wan ya ho hwe after 28 days no emra ne say as a some de report no echo credit reference agency ni ho omo na o keep no omo de publish akọ the whole world and then our internet so as CCJ about credit file so who ni sa pe ask yourself say omo tro e ma warn ya na
sir
okay company no dey call court no na court so tro say obi di wa court ana ebi ana wetu efifie ho why your redirection post office for I mistake tell your fault sana tie dia say unhu ya nke bia ukoyi wa no court but because na wonim wanti bibia anti ade no akoda wo file so you can trigger opposition.
Okay.
What your court say me kra me nim po say obi di ma court. Court beka say you throw 5 times. What you say we to if you order that why you order redirection post office for I mistake. Esa say my redirection no. O man yes ade no nti let us now come back to baby na wote no. Santi na wunim. Then they will have to open the claim again. Now when they defend the claim no ever court. Because after 28 days no, untumi ya ho hwe, but you can fight back if genuinely no, ya ma wan who say na mo ye etia wo. Nti hu bibi sa embo hu. Say no cross o mo tro wo na wan kasa ho na say court na mo di bu a wo dia and there you have nothing to do. But genuinely no say na wunim na mo afa we chi kra court akoye sa dia. Because now women say they do the filing on the internet. Oko claims now. You can do it online. Small claims, you know. You can file it online. Now court, you know. Now court the stamp is so. You post to copy a brow. Within a short time, you know. Now on my number you send notice. Now I acknowledge and that's one respond. Your court says still I want your monka. Then they will file for judgment. Summary judgment against you. Say kwabasa then court edibuawa then omo de akoma credit agency say na akoba na omo de ato file so.
Okay, lawyers ma ohono ma membisa o. Sometimes no ebi wo kra wo nimpo se wenya letters ni ade na. Embia wo nim se omo de bibi sa akoto file so e wo credit agency ifo ho. Na obewo mu na osi o mpese me koto ade na me credit card bi anase me ko apply craft for credit biom mbia a different company na obekọ na ye beka se ye credit checks ade ne betwa ne ho afie bebe ye say default da wade ne so a unim enti enu sa no it could be say na sa 28 days no apa ho ho no de na o say wo ye because you were not aware and anti so mo ka say mbia omo aseni abro se ni awu cheche mo ma aseni abro anase but mbi address na oda so ho ba you unim se bibisa eno ase eye edawo so nemeka no obi example odi abreme na ntina meka afenso no okay yan say no answer na me fa second one no so emba so second one no let me say it because time ko say eba ni saa obedie eyi mbia na oni creditors no so akwa agreement wo chia monthly bia why direct debit chia bibia ekoboko yes ana can they still remove that default na that will file so our creditors na ho ana ti se we chia bibia feature free ho ansana na se obetumi akwan ben so na obefa so obetumi akoyi sa default na free udin so patch
You me that say now the woman say within 28 days no so utumi tua eka no a o meye fi so na sene a woka no aburu 28 days until then I will be say if genuinely say won sanka notice of service say obi de kodu abebo say wo de ne ka nti oba abeji a your friend particulars of claim no won saka ye and now one year hoshi because they will give you no time say within 14 days of receiving the particulars of claim and a claim form no, you have to file your acknowledgement and defense. So we receiving it separately. You can file your defense within 28 days. Now, so what else do you have to do? Because we need they are brow. And as I said, we 1 year. The first 1 year doesn't mean that we sanka. This was a kind of 1 child and money there. Unfortunately, there's nothing you can do. But genuinely, when sanka there, then you can say, sir, I did not receive service of notice. Sana tia there, as a summer sign the brew beam. Umbe ne akoba no efi judgment no umbe efi ho. It will be set aside. But you have to make an application for the judgment to be set aside. Nti omo set aside we are. Na afi de ye di asam no ankasa the first what they can ye di asam no. Na wo bisa say koba say akoda wo fast so a what can you do? Say akoda wo fast so na say abru 28 days na say e no cre say one na ujeja wo ho na akoba dia. There's nothing you can do. And it but that's for 6 years. And so if you hold alcohol.
Yo, it's here for senior lawyer Asma Acheche Monosane tie na me gidi say emre so ko me ka say maybe some questions that me want to do so ye but me yes answer na me ya selfish so me de akwanya no be mamo e bia na wo so bibi kire wa adwen na opese wo bisa kwan maybe a telephone lines no just in a second na wo so wetumi afre na we bisa it could be say topic aye ka ho asem na opese wo bisa ana say enye topic yi krampo ho asem a they are still the lawyers, the best lawyers. Into no, obetumi bisa question bia efa bibia ho a opese wonya ho mu nimdie no ombetumi bisa. Last man, yeah, maybe a telephone lines no. 020 may produce and pacho. 0208123116 and I say 0739920848. Sounds so now be to me after voice note to WhatsApp no voice note wait to me your voice note never come mouth and I say wait to me after on the WhatsApp not the main call but WhatsApp 07596620154 na yetumi eya no amount may be a telephone line so you are welcome to phone in and then ask your questions. In case you want us to explain something in particular in English for you as well, we can do so. We are still here. We have the next 30 minutes to answer your calls and then answer you with questions. So go ahead and give us a call. But before this person comes in, lawyers, I've got just a quick one. We'll be in the audience from Pacho. Hold on 1 second, mommy. Why? Need no or pesika nancy yeah root na or pesika kakra na application or see what bank okwaji loan na ode aye ne nyoma na okwa oma ye credit ye twa ne ho atwa se ye na ugina ho ya na ye ne je keke obehu na de na call round sa afi de beba ye see ade ye bibi ye ma no se qualify o se den but obisa say identity they won't tell him the reason afenso no okosa ko bi ma ye si hwi ni way no so default bia anda na ade no so but still keke no ye ma no enti no I confused meanwhile no we use credit card etua our good credit history enye say wa disk bi edi na wanye akwai de ha me say onti asenti a bank ni so mo money loan no we mpo de enye credit card okoji loan waya you see we bibia ye ode a kire me say e correct now so ye ma no eba ni sa adenti na eba ni sa but lawyer obeyi ano answer na obeyi me no ano ye ntie ye dofo ye answer hello odofo wa ahoma so pacho me ma akwa aba
hello
o ga se free
hello
mete on kan pacho o ga se free
atom ka se fi landing
yo my ente on ka bisa question lawyer 8 yo
okay pacho me di school nkrata eneba krum ha sei
okay
na me ba me betiti mu no fees no edosun no na ama mentumi anko tampese me hu say if mentumi anko a then e be si na mentumi so aseta nkrata no for mu school no the different one.
Oh, mania, we one side the mema lawyer and casacra, mammy, you are no, yes, sir, school no, one corner, you do me saying, do how many months ya won't boy?
And do 1 month in prayer.
Ain't school natural, say, or more show.
Patadabi.
Sɛ wankwa ne ebesi ne sɛ embia ɔmbɛtrɔ akɔ efikɛsɛ mu sɛ wamba school no efikɛsɛ mu
Oh,
bɛtrɔ
okay.
sɛ ɔmo ma ɔmrɛ sɛ fefiri when because unkɔ school no nanso akwanya da hɔ a yebetumi asesa ma sɛ nea ɔka no sɛ wobɛsesa na embia ene wato skill worker route ya abeyi so anaasɛ health and social care route sɛ wobetumi ayɛ adwuma ne nko ade a yebetumi asesa ɛne ntɛmtɛm kra endu sima wobetumi asesa no one time nti sɛ woyɛ interested you can call me after the program. Call me this number 07596620154. Call me just after the program na menkyerɛ akwanya da hɔ a wobetumi asesa ne ntɛmtɛm a ɛho ɛmba asɛm why
Okay, but between 15 no man ma me bio.
ɛwɔ screen so 07596620154 why
Actually,
me da say
okay, me see that thing.
yo ɔdɔfo a wahoma so mpatwɔ yɛtie o yɛfrɛ wo sɛ woka sɛ frɛ
Manya mpacho ana.
wo na answer asisi ano.
Okay, hello. Manya, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
Lawyer Asma, good morning.
Morning, Eja, it's saying.
Nyamina do mo de ache me mam happy anniversary so.
Thank you.
Good. Manya me tu nka moti me nka de.
Ye tu nka pa nti de akasa.
Great. We de masem kitu bi na mpese me de tu mu ayi mo anim na mo de muso ma. Ubobo mu ti se jata oda.
Oh sa, ye da ase.
Da pepepe. Ayi ya fa me sen mi ko fie be 4 months ni na mi ko share abaya bi. Na abaya no menene ye nkitahudie bi kakra but na enye serious sa. Enti no me baye no man sheba anya yibi sha but be last month na masha say me sen akoba kene na a chat ni ade but me call ye no ya ye photos bi ni ade na ayeti say me hu anu bi say ye hwe how far bi
o de
but
koso
be do ye no so no man continue and communicate but afi na asen maso daya agino ho say adi na ye kama nti no mame sanko back na sanko fa de ye nchiri nti afi na masha asese me no edi nkuta ho
yes
ena nkuta hu die na asese me 100% me ko next April nanka
wa ko ware no
ekohu abusiafo na ye eho amane ne amamre na mentimi hu say me call next April now. Is it too early for me to do those things to bring her here, or me call for a visit? Na me say call back for the marriage union there. We the masem ti wa no.
Na masa we shi oba na opo nko pentama o twa ma obi akofa dia na lawyer san be you ano
Based on evidence now omo prepare no. Eno na Matias me hu say me koni sesi akoya e go first time na me ko no photo evidence
no problem my lawyer and you are no my lawyer and you are no akwenya e wo ho a o say
I think Eunice has in-depth knowledge in what he's trying to ask. On what he has here.
Ani wo pompa o.
But what you think?
Fatu so na netie wo enu mo why?
Mate. Na manye se eno susu da nchen a edi anioma na ekoba se me kwa akoya na me kofa na ba me hia wa ha edi akọ ehun nioma ni nyina like you know what I mean.
Yes, lawyer beka ni nyina achiro. Why?
Me that's any am dey tusu na machi.
Yo, bye.
Enti no say bibi wo ha na say me san aka I will text you on your WhatsApp.
You.
Me that's it.
Yo.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.
All right. I'm rather say we your application ama we yere anasa wukunu a. As I say we prove say mo aware. Number 2, as I say we prove say mo hia physically and some more worry. Now, in the chest, when you know krum had ya, we share that, so you can marry by proxy according to Ghana law. Now, say, ono ewo baby na wo had ya, you should have met. But from what you said, no, we share that. You so much share that idea. The question is, what is say? Because at the end of the day, some worry and that and pay ya, and some worry a year. So now we know more our idea you met before marriage. Now say kwabasa mo ya no proxy dia, you have to prove yourself mu share and some worry. Then photos will come in. But say a face mu nyina mo wo ho na mo worry dia, and the by all means we share nipa no ko mu nyina mo wo ho. So that one you've met the criterion. The next thing is you have to prove the marriage is genuine and subsisting. Genuine means it's a genuine marriage. So you have the relationship ongoing. The relationship is valid. The first of our in partners are valid according to Ghana law, and I say omaya worry womuno. Now whether it is subsisting is another conversation. And one na ube prove say mudi nkomo. Wo hwe no wo mona no. Ane sa nyoma ni nyina ebebem. Nti say ma worry for 6 months. Na se mundi nkomo bia. Na che say ube find it difficult to prove the subsisting part. Because oti baby na wo so woti baby. Nti ube hia sa nkomodie no akoso ewo mu ntemu no. Photo no so no at my church mu dada why it will be relevant or not relevant. And oya wayere te say bia una wo hwe no cause una wa abrochire to umana no nkakra even though mra no nchichire say umana no but common sense ne say wo hwe wayere santi umana no eno no be boa ama wa confirm say yes the marriage or the relationship is subsisting. Tini nyina no ode bebom na wo da aka wo document no ho wo be kire mu so say oba obenye baby ada anya afi na mo call council akopemboa to accommodation important say ya nko na wote na ono no so no nko na oba be join with there and the one room okay for woni wo yere na say nkwala wo mu dia and there a different conversation because we want the government wants to prevent overcrowding. The next thing is we be sure say we ye adwuma wunya at least 18,600 gross per annum. That's why we are self-employed in SWA. We hear with self-assessment now we check our profit level now. A net profit. Net profit is at least 18,600 pounds per annum. A net profit, not the turnover before expenses. That's the difference. The money after all the expenses are covered. Obiru omo obeka say the turnover no 18,600. But the profit a 100 pounds and I say 1,000 pounds. And yet turnover you use net profit na ube use if you are self-employed. And the evidence I can where sampa we are self-employed I would with tax. We are buying I shall we say as a say we into we ni and your ma ube here would the best support your application. So ope bebre dia and as ope say in your particular instance so there. And they will be to me afre and as our office. Na ya share na ye hu kwan a wo be fa so a wo be your application no. So pese ye boa wo.
Sa eno no so to na mo na we hu oba fresh say o ja. Ko BWF Solicitors na omonto to na mo ma na we dey one touch kra we dey kind of family law and as a matrimonial no e demufia number 1 hwe Order for one so Maminte Wonka on is Adina to console and yen kind of messages.
Morning.
Good morning, good morning. Bogodia.
Morning,
Good morning.
Pacho, I feel Kwame, maybe some quick questions.
Okay.
Meaning about EU national na the map means Nemano. Ejina omo papa so no omo ye omo settled status ana ono no jina ne baba akoso nka ono so nka akrola ni sponsor but omo say omo papa man omo say enye sa vanity anyway the person medical judge ona judge so me treat the judge back but before that or sans ye adwuma wo care industry ni bo afi na me hwese bibi fufu bi betimi asi se bi adwuma no wo no omo betimi apply bi ama no abra o sela o kroma bi betimi bi ama no na se me nya de me na me ko je no
Okay, lawyers on patrol in Kadia.
Aye.
Okay.
o ti me kan
Macho. Yo, director, and the woman is a right of appeal, me boy.
wow
Faint swan.
okay
And if not lawyer beside say, my right of appeal, na.
the appeal no on 14 days to appeal to the first year.
Yes, so yes. Until your right of appeal there, yes. Ube to me, aqua court. Now they are dying court.
Fatusu neti. Why? And the system name say internet na your rough because anti fatusu neti.
My team ko kan ka work with.
Pacha say.
Me se ko kan ka wono repeat.
Eh na time ne ko entity wo. Tie say we umbisa question bi abiom.
We
Nti fatusu neti wo radio no na gadget na oti no. Why oti free no. Why?
Yo.
Okay, yo. Lawyers man pacho koso.
Yo, anti my right of appeal there, ube to me appeal it to the court. Now, ubi so say, ube to me oye care, me nim se care na oye no okutan krata na ode ye ejuma. So okutan krata na ode ye ejuma there, ube to me switch it to the skilled worker route. So employer no kra no e license, ube to me ama no sponsorship there. Then that will even be easier. Obetumi switch it to that. Now omama no akwenya for about 3 years. Ewu a mo renew ama no na odinam no kwan so.
Yo, say no na lawyer eyiwa no no nti papa se wanti bibia sibioma obetumi afre ana say lawyer yentie we nso menu aba aseni we aba.
It was my mojuma. Asana mo kamfa sa credits and sense my moke. Me na no me nyale te bisa. Na before no me dey can for try if you be. Enya radio so asem ntini nya nsem nyina na beka. Na me an kasa no eni pa ko ne di mitini aye what the meeting for years sky. It's a bit of that means no not meaning because can I say 2019 in Hopra, we beside the pan also when you're not praying for within it because I'm a cheers a cabiaman. Is it with this can for year or call a year dear. Not why as well. The son was one to 1999 saying I'm no letter by. Na ọmọdé akọ akọmọ allegate in the sky ọmọdé akọ akọmọ allegate in ọmọdé lẹtẹ ẹdí abirẹ sẹ mẹdẹ ká ẹwọ sẹ mi tia no ne n'asọ fọ sẹ mi tia bẹyẹ kọọtù sẹm ayẹ ẹdí ama kade ju yẹ nu nam ẹti sẹ deɛ mo kẹ ya na mẹ ni sẹ esi adeɛ na ɔmo yɛ no address mẹ ni mẹ pa saa old address no kora so mẹ ni efie no mu address. Into no member am ye din community no say about no the member am ye din community no me frem no me hoita am kura mo mbusi am machi me was how no be to say the more can answer and menya letter e wo baby abetie baby am dey ka for 2019 and as I dey no nya me akasa na me ye
Now I'm saying the same person.
Lawyer, I feel no question now obisa na answer so no answer
obeba aha nti na ebe ka kire ye nwan say na all patch nyina say obi di ne din akoye bibisa nti say a fraud there I didn't kodu court afi na ama notice say e court respond ope say ye gine mu ma wa bra respond ukwa court wa na say no cry say wonim ho hwea wo evidence o menwu say e fraud. Now what you have to do is we call a credit file so who say checks no mo year for sa credit card no ebe wo company no ebe wo now what select say a fraud, then you will report fraud alert. Into no mark no into mo mark no you become a vulnerable person.
Okay.
In that context. Now, and also be boa case because a court no akokasa wunim ho hia na wunim ho hwi did you notify the company no through the online portal no ana so obi di wudin akoye bibi sa.
Okay.
The important say wo be yes ade no but you say say wo baba nti e be twen say wo baba na ya hwe na ewom na akwenya wo ho a ye de aboa wo why.
Okay. Emi say obeti yeah, yenhwe odofo a wa ahoma so. Mpacha wo ka say free me ente unka.
Yeah, sorry. Please, just quick. Me no me free back in earlier on.
Okay.
Me can about you know.
Okay.
So now I be say on you for you know on statistical application and on national insurance number.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah,
and yenwe ye uni.
We now on my refusing kakana.
Yeah, but oye uni but see am no ka say say wo so oye adwuma okay oye ka adwuma.
See, say wo say oye adwuma okay.
Aye, but say no certificate of application no. And I'm DJ about and the man o dey na adwuma.
And oye adwuma ba oni engineer so bia.
But just in case bia omo betimi age be mana because of person okobe jump up and down or so called name free be jump up and down now no we na say no I be kakra na be sala ya say sa side no jump side and instrument say
okay last ma beduma side ne kra last ma kan ye say edwuma no kra betumi ama no sponsor COS course na ene o betumi aye e de agi 3 years e de ama no when tie ho no
okay me on
ana lawyer ana bibi foforo ka ho anka obeka aka ho
Na maybe say oye adwuma dia then he should have something or the ye adwuma. But na won ko kire mu ni say na odi ye adwuma no ye based on certificate of application or a buy no. Em say crofo to me the ye adwuma no mo aye lucky no mo twen say ade no baba. If say ya ade ya be ya o man family na kire say o need leave in the UK to switch. Don't mean switch it to the skilled worker. And I think the way will be better so about appeal it.
Okay. Enti ne lawyer can say senya etie ne de better say mo be appeal no. Why?
Na time we appeal no cost ni nyina de obetumi akoso aye adwuma because the decision even though has been taken it is still ongoing. Internet just application no enkwa ewie yet. So we appeal ya.
Yo, so one tie ne lawyer kan ya ne o kan ne say mo ya appeal no still obetumi akoso aye na adwuma because final decision hasn't come yet. So
okay my and the was still I say and the right no I was wa copem say on
yes decision.
Of course.
Why?
But person call Belgium back no I don't say no a problem.
I don't know you don't know the decision. You don't know choice whether to go or to stay. If you want to live in the UK, you have to live here.
Of course, the number and Krano, I'm a member. More deal. Well,
say, Usro say, or qua, yent me maninsa and by inside.
But I also know, sir, even though now I feel no woman, but what I know, Suniana will almost say, go back.
Then you're almost been found posting in sway.
Oh, Nema. Mammy, what's in the be.
Say a option a may mouse, send you what by a stack, no, say, and no call for documents, Kekaba. And you want on direct you be now on code father's documents, then send him bread.
And yet, the document, and Yama or something also on the money to buy, almost sending money back to Kakaka.
Oh, okay.
Hey, or the dance will be or Honona, or more loss, billion is too much. It's very, very ethic. I say,
Papa, and say, Bibi or Hona, Nina, and to me, embed, Toja, Ewa, ha, Hana de Yemrenisha. In Tembia, not yet to meet, you know, it's nasty, HH, and we and be not crime for a while lawyers, the bit to me at you. Inteno, I'll humbly suggest say bomodian book your appointment. Na kotena lawyer nim na cheche bie moma no kama embia na kwan foforo bi da ba bia ibetumi ahwe e de ama no. Why? Yo, who share screen is so I mean baby a wo hwe free ba wo share screen is so BWF Solicitors number line no ne nyina etwem all the lawyers nso numbers nyina etwem wase. Why?
Yo,
me da se papa, me da se.
Yo, me da
se.
Yo, da se.
Lawyer men kind when so you can say when so message or they are saying or see good morning lawyer, good morning Manyeti. I have been married na me screen no kra na me hwe me nim ye. Or see I have been married to a British citizen. We have 2 children together and I'm on 10 years partners route and March will be my 10 years since my first 2.5. Now there has been so much problem in the marriage. Now what I want to know is if for any reason he decide not to support my indefinite, can I do it on my own? Aware for ni mo nsam de na to de bia ha adwen o. Ya kata kakra maya ninti na fe du bia na mo ne yakuntokwa saa lasma obetime agina ne na so ana
wo say so ne waka no ntokwa bebre abe aware no mu the word ntokwa no suggest say there is violence bi o baby domestic violence sa na tie dia na so wengina so dia obetumi take action mpemprenya na odi afa sa ekwan no so akwasra aban say na akoba because of sad and nti be ma no kra no odi huhua ne say ebre no so a ye be hwe nti opese aban ebemu na oboa no.
Okay. Mami a say uyo be ma wo message na we send by lawyer eyiwa Naomi. Into Naomi yes, message no na lawyer e de abano. Say nia wo can say so much problems no. Some of the problems no can escalate na akoba ne say ebekwa akofole into domestic violence and also there ebemu dia na akonya wo ho a wa obetumi aye without his support. Why say nia lawyer aka no enti se wo hwe na still a wadwe mu entine wa bomode ana frɛ BWF Solicitors numbers no obi be me say lawyers no mo ahobra so mo no be kama wa ye beka say wie no na half of the problem is solved already nti bomode akohu omo na omo ngina mu ma why na sisi aye mema na kakra ye behwe me hwe se wo benya won krat me hwe se ya bremo yo yenko yenim eye 020812310116 ana say 0 numbers ne kra kwahye hindio bomode ana frɛ na also ye wo just few minutes I best sorry na memfa enchia kakra nso ma dodo na eba so no ene de mama me ni age oba pa may say good morning to you all Ezekiel Johnson nyanu no ke amazing education and ajiman yes class prefect or say share John Ativo Abna Koko I am very happy for you and good work yo Abna Koko wenya wonkra wa ha Nana Jemai asin Jineji se no start borrow call. Doka still eduma mete wonka che otili. Mete wonka che honestly. Nana Jemai biom the borrow call ni sa Doka Sadom say good morning lawyer Charles and Manyanate Abna Ejewa good morning. Anita Ejepoma Japan. Was it good morning. Na ye ko Barnabas Odame si or share Abna and Ajimai. Good morning everyone. Mami Efia say, Mami Efwa, greetings to all BWF Solicitor staff and all members on the platform. Nice to see you again. Mami Efwa, Yenso, Yejo, so Yedasi. Ben Kwame, say good morning. Na Yenyaba Sandra, so they are big guhobium. Or same common na ye dinina, Mamont na honam fama so keke enti, Mumbra office or na mumbeji akunya kesye, na mudin sem betoha. Na itumi eyi ama nti sa na tie lawyer o ka me question na me bisa e answer na Me fa phone calls na. Many a bear man she in idea no so no. No more de actually say bibia default bia ni so na loan na na man. O sha e de important. We de we be say question de papa.
Well, sir, ono na okuta na de.
Eh
And na ose ohwe wo a. Information wo de ama no no e kire say we ye obi a ye de ma wo a wo be struggle e wa abrabom, let alone to be able to pay back. Remember I mentioned say the lenders ought to lend responsibly. Enti ohwe wo information no we ye adwuma wo je ahe okeka bom wo expenses into with disposable income no ohwe na say ebe ha adwen a obeka tro say on farm ma at this stage. Nti okasa on qualifier na opa ne say ontumi ntua nti ontwen na ne nsemu ye den a na wa baji loan.
Yo, na question back by na so akwahye chire me hwehwe me hu baabi ewo enti no nipa kwa o send ye nipa cho okay say oh asemo ye manyeti kope glasses for now glasses we there ave aye we be say blele hu hwe biom lawyers man say emre na ha na ye di ebesi na ya hwe ye nim akwan nyame ya adoma Ochina the community and the law baso den na ye be sre mo say seni amoba so fefe wo bi atiafim me wie me ending note your tiafim yo order for we dey only me last call and pacho me ma o akonya na bisa patient pacho also.
Thank you. Lawyer, thank you very much, lawyer. Thank you, Manu. I just want to ask a quick question. So lawyer, if you have a debt, or I don't know if that's the correct term, on your credit file, and then I know over a period of time it will disappear on your credit file. If it goes away, are you free from the debt? And if not, what measures can you take to pay that debt if you can't identify the person who you owe because it's now not on your credit file again?
Right. You see,
okay.
When they punish you for 6 years, they don't expect to collect the money again. That is the punishment. And by punishing me for 6 years, you have used the punishment as payment. So you don't have to pay back. Opa.
I didn't get it. Why? So based on what you just said, after sorry, caller, I don't know if you are still there, but what do you mean? 6 years. Suppose maybe that amount, you continue paying, but you were paying it bit and bit and bit. Now it came with 6 years, and does that mean still you continue to pay? And I say
that becomes a choice. That becomes a choice because they have already punished you for 6 years. Even when they started punishing you, you can stop paying. But sometimes we keep paying because we want to show that we are still responsible.
Yes.
After 6 years, that thing is gone anyway. Back to normal. But the lender will still be writing to you. Which market can say, man, to bet you £1.
So in that case, does this still affect your credit? And I say after the 6 years, it's wiped slate.
What I'm saying is, from day one, it will stay for 6 years.
Okay.
6 years in this one, automatically a call.
Oh, really?
Until there will be nothing there unless say another issue come up with another lender. That's not baby.
So where about where the entire console? This is bringing in another question. Where baby Maya na uchia na 6 years still uchia be hu no mo say omodi akoma another creditor na ono na oba beji scan say but it still same bia why agreement £5, £10, £20 na uchia into after 6 years. Does that mean say utumi ejai?
That's what we call double jeopardy.
Okay.
Double jeopardy in there, I'm going to punish you twice for the same offense.
Oh.
Oma punish that for 6 years for that offense na went to yano. Enti say omo de ma another but they will still pursue to get their money anyway.
Yes.
So omo de ma another creditor, collector, debt collector to make a claim.
Okay.
And when I wo to me and what they say Obaka say fine, I'm a good person, I will pay you, but I will pay you £1 a month.
Right.
Or I will even pay. For me, what punish me anyway. They cannot revive the same loan on your file. They can't.
Yeah, I had a so but time only other for one.
Lawyer, where does that come in terms of immigration applications, please?
I mean, immigration will not punish you for winter, and that has nothing to do with suitability. Suitability has to do with say be a tax and NHS, work hospital. Now you are not supposed to have it for free. Now you are show for free. Now the bill are brown. Now winter those things chrono born in there no. But when they work with loan, now when winter, something no more punish you no.
Okay, it's not like bankruptcy and stuff.
No. This bankruptcy is when you file for IVA.
Okay.
Individual voluntary assessment, They will assess you. Not more okay, because of this situation, you are considered not capable of paying the debt.
Right.
No more abrande with that IVA tag. And also stay on your file. Nobody will trust you with money, so to speak. But it has nothing to do with because a cardia ubia boka because ubia as no ubia, but reasonably sometimes uji loan nabia for one reason or the other went to me and we as advice say we are able to redeem our bills. However, it is part of life. Nti omuntumi aban kra de ka Sunday Saturday anka fekesim for kra
Obiadika lawyers that's I'm not gonna pick any more calls, please. A teacher for womo intini esremo lawyers for so wom client train to Mr. Wadaroma. Wow, friend, mean to me and fabium. Na yamfa yumedi no and bury. Yamen shrow, me did this question a persistent and Mr. Yamia Doma Fabra, the community and the law, or better still. Text it to me on the WhatsApp. Me answer at the amount. Why me pouch wow friend Miss so we need demo. Yo lawyers man or see it to make an echo. I am be a bibi or her or the better ya say na ya de ananti anamoana na what chimo.
Yo sisi ade sene ayenim no ya mame Braverman call ye papa Grand Sharp ebesi na nan ma nipa no de adwuma no ma ya papa Grand Sharp nso we gya adwuma no na kire say it's likely say we are going to have another home secretary. We don't know who. And ya train say nipa no obeba no obeye nipa papa obedwen yan ahohoi ye ho efa immigration side. Na yesu ane say ukwaje credit card and say ukoto ade through higher purchase. Na higher purchase no especially car na ye a lot of finance no. Na say ukwaje loan na wodi tua but seller no arrange ma wodi a you are protected under section 75 or section 75 capital A. The difference between section 75 and section 75 capital A is say kanu eda ade no so no se koba se bibi ekoba na ejuma nipa na oton ade ma wo no ade no wonsa nka anase bibi akoba ho na eniji ankoba lenda no a ogina mu ma wo no a wodi tuaye no ono esese obegu na oboa wo na wo trace sa nimpa no when to me there esese otua everything back in your name. Say £100 up to £30,000 it stays within section 75. Say a bro 30,000 up to £60,260 there it stays within section 75A. Say call section 75 capital A ne there and I say A no I just say we prove say nipa no wahwehwe no nipa no won na arrange say ubenya nia we feel nsa no back on ye no so oye and I say we jani and I say why insolvent on to me entia all those things there, then you are protected under Section 75, capital A. Say, Kobasa, what try na almost say you still have to pay there. Ube to me a complaint to Financial Services Ombudsman. Say na akoba, then they will rely on the law to defend and protect you.
Thank you very much, Lawyer Asma. Complaining or taking your case to the financial ombudsman. A lot of people don't even know how to go about it. And I'm telling you right now, in case you have such a problem and you want to further it or take it further to the financial ombudsman, don't hesitate. Yawaha, yebetumi abua mo such applications nti no ma international credit nyoma enwewe wo abra wonim se bibie edu die o se yeja asem no na yese chinchina yenje mu no nti on that note minimum ebewie wa ha nyame adomo na community and the law baso yenu abe mo refu frempom betnemu eji ho ochiame de amana ye fe nti no make a date with us na topic eba no emmo hwam tu enra na ye papa lawyer Richie ebeka se ope so be British citizenship anase ope akonya se obenya indefinite obekire ye ewo Rainbow Radio ema eda YouTube sisi esan da ye Facebook ne so se u foli sa na ohia sa nimde na bomodian na ko play video no na hwe na ubenya emwaye bebre efremo sa ne ye no mediane manyeti megidi se ohwe BWF Solicitors itira kwa ye nua ba Sandra Fraser odi abeto 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road so 7 Sisters London N15 4NP. Call the numbers and they are there to help you. Nyame nhyira so na se ne ye be sen hia me mamu nyina happy weekend.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at 7 Sisters in North London. N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to 7 Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.